Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today we're going to do all the maintenance on the Mova P20 Ultra robot vacuum cleaner. Now I will put links to all the parts that I'm going to be using here today. I do have a generic kit that looks pretty good that we're going to give a try. And also the OEM parts I'll put in the link in the description and on my website, justadadapproved.com. I did purchase all these products with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video, but if you do purchase any of the products in this video off of the link, I am an Amazon affiliate. The products won't cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. So in this video, we're going to replace dust bag, replace mop pads, side brush, clean the filters and everything, do all the maintenance on this. Okay, first thing, let's take a look at the tanks. We got to do a little bit of cleaning in here sometimes. If you get hard water deposits, like a brown stain, you can put vinegar in there, let it sit, and then rinse it out. There is a filter at the bottom here, sometimes needs clean, but the main maintenance is going to be the dirty water tank. And I'm going to show you a cleaning hack. So we're going to take this to the sink, get it all nice and clean, but then I'm going to show you something to help prevent the odor. Okay, let's take a look at the dust bag. You're just going to pull this off, pull this little lever right here. That flap should come out like that, but sometimes it doesn't. There's the dust bag. Let's get the new one. Kind of fold it a little bit. There is a micro switch down there. Make sure you get it installed all the way. Push it in. It should be flush right here and here, and then kind of put it in there. There is no onboard solution tank. Put the top feet in and snap it into place. People ask me all the time, do robot vacuum cleaners actually work? Well, let's cut the dust bag open on the Mova P20 and actually see. This has been at my home for over a month. I have a dog, and wow, has it done a great job of getting dog hair, fine dust material and everything. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to clean this filter here. We do have to do a little bit of cleaning here, not much. Turn the power off, hold that for about 10 seconds, it'll power down. Let's take a look at the dustbin. This is the same dustbin as the Mova P10 Pro, so lots of shared parts. This filter you should be replacing or cleaning about once every couple weeks. I waited too long. But I'm also gonna clean this, wash this, make sure you're not getting any hair. I neglected this dustbin. You should look after this dustbin at least every couple weeks. All right, let's do the sensors. You should be doing this every 30 hours. Just a lint-free cloth. This is even a sensor here. These are the cliff sensors here, 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 and here. That's the carpet sensor. You want to be very careful of that. I normally don't clean that. You could put a soft cloth in there to kind of help clean it, but that's about it. All right, mop pads. These can be freshened up. These actually have a lot of life left in them yet, but I could put these in my laundry and freshen them up. Here's the generic ones, and these actually look pretty good. Make sure you engage that Velcro. Sometimes you have to wipe around here, but not right now. Very easy to replace. If I had to wash these mop pad holders, I could. Let's take a look at the brush roller. Pinch these tabs, rotate up. You can put the tri-cut brush in here. Now, this brush roller is designed, you will get hair wrap, which I'm going to show you, but it's designed to go to the ends. And that's where it's gathered right here. So you're going to take this end off, just pop it off. Yeah, it just pulls off. That's where all the hair is going to be. This is how it's designed to do. Same with the other one. Pop it off. Not too many hairs on this though. Now this is extremely dirty and we want to clean it. There's what the generic one looks like. We're going to wipe this all off. This is relatively clean. That is a membrane. That is a very thin membrane. We're going to wipe that, but don't damage it. Front brush, just pull straight up. It still had some life left on it, but I'm going to put this generic one on. Yep, looks good. Now I do like to kind of blow out here around the wheels. I'll put a link to this. This is on my website, justadadapproved.com, and in the show description notes. All right, I got a wet towel. You just simply got to wipe this. This part is self-cleaning, and it's been doing a relatively good job. Just wipe that down. There's a procedure in the app, but I found this just to be the easiest. Is just to clean it with a red rag. Now same with over here. Just wipe this inside down. Don't get water inside the robot. We do need to wipe that down a little bit. All right, now the cleaning hack, we're going to use scrubbing bubbles. These tanks just start stinking like crazy. Also, I have the world famous Just a Dad cleaning brush. I'll put a link to it in the show description notes and on my website. But after you're done cleaning this, And every time you empty the dirty water tank, put an effordent tablet in the bottom. Every time you empty it, you don't have to clean it, but put a tablet in there so as that dirty water fills up, the tablet kills the odor. Now, if you're like me and you're in a hurry, you can use this blower, but it is best to let this dry in the sun or on a register. Okay, take this filter, put it in there, make sure it's flush. Now, this needs to dry in the sun, but I just want to show you how to put it together. These will only go one way. So there's like a square side. Make sure you push it in all the way. And this has like a groove side. All right. But let's put the generic one in. It's a little bit smaller. It's not quite as good as the OEM, but we can save some money. Put the front feet in, wiggle, click, make sure both of those engage. All right, dustbin filter. Again, this kit comes with several, so put that in. The seal side goes down first. There's a handle, make sure it's flush. Make sure that's nice and flush. Put it in, flush. Turn it on. All right, let's go in and reset the filter, reset all the reminders. Click this gear icon. Accessory usage, click on that. Filter, I had more time, but I'm gonna go ahead and reset it since I did replace it. Side brush, main brush, I had more time on. Sensors, I definitely needed to clean. Mop, replace, everything else is as needed. Let's just take a look at how it's done at my house. It's done amazing. These were just times when I canceled it, but global cleaning, I mean, fabulous. Just can't say enough good things about this robot. It just does look, hardly any no-go zones. This thing does a really good job. So my very next video, this robot will be getting a Just a Dad approved sticker. I'll show you my scorecard. Again, you can see this full review, maintenance on my website, justadadapproved.com. And I'm getting ready to do the P70 maintenance. I love it. It'll be approved also. And I'm getting ready to do all the maintenance on the Ecovacs T90. So again, thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please like, subscribe, check out the website, justadadapproved.com. I've got wet dry floor mops, cordless vacuum cleaners. I've reviewed those in the past, but I'm starting to get back into those. So look for my top list on my website coming soon. So again, thanks everybody. Now, the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.